Blessed Grand Rising to the 12th tribe of Israel. Today I'll be making some coconut stewed chicken with gungo rice and peas. And first and foremost, we have to give our praise to the Most High and His beloved Son Yahweh Shai. Big up the 12th tribe of Israel. And thanks to all the people who subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So here's right in my bowl I have a half a chicken that I cleaned up. So I'm going to be making some coconut stewed chicken. So on my cutting board, I have my seasoning. So from right to left, I've got my pimento seed, tablespoon of chicken noodle, garlic, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, broadleaf thyme, tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and Scotch bonnet pepper. And I also got the coconut milk. So I'm going to be putting a pack of coconut milk in the seasoning. Okay, so it's all mixed in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the fridge for overnight. Yes, family, welcome back to the channel. So in this pot I've got some gungo peas. And on this right here I've got half a tablespoon of oxtail seasoning, half a teaspoon of pimento seed, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and I got my garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and broadleaf thyme. So I'm going to add this all to the pot. Oxtail seasoning, pimento seed, all-purpose seasoning, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and broadleaf thyme. So what I'm going to do, 25 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on to boil for 25 minutes because I soaked the peas overnight. Makes it easier to cook. So right here I got my chicken that I seasoned up from the night before. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry them up now. So my first batch of chicken is in frying. So in this blender I have a medium-sized coconut. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it. So my coconut is all blended out, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it off. So yes, family, so this is what I'm using to stew down my chicken. So I got my garlic, onion, carrot, broadleaf thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. And right here I got my coconut milk. So in this pot, what I use to fry my chicken, I'm going to fry my onion and garlic. So my onion and garlic is sauteed up, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add the coconut milk. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the chicken. So right now I'm going to add the thyme, the carrot, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. So right now I'm going to add half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Right now I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of chicken noodle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this and let it simmer down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So right now the gungo peas is finished boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the coconut milk. And then a teaspoon of butter.
Just bounce, bounce. More water merry-go-round. Me and you do a hito banjo.
So I just added the rice to the pot. So this should take like 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, family, so this is what dinner look like. Coconut stewed chicken with gungo rice and peas. So remember, if you like the recipe here, you can always drop it down in the comment section and I'll share them with you. Shalom.
Come on, we can do it all night long.